Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're going to be checking out and then test driving this 1969 big block El Camino SS. Beautiful El Camino. And this car we actually sold was about 6 months ago.
Yep.
All the way up to Oregon. The guy that bought it absolutely loved it, enjoyed it, drove it, and traded it back in for.
He wanted to get his grandkids in there. That's why. That's why I talked to him on the phone. So he wanted to take his grandkids and shit with him. So he needed a little more room. So he bought a Chevy.
Yeah. And we love getting our cars back that we've owned before because it makes it so easy. Everything already works. They've already been through our shop.
Yeah. This one came in. We still changed oil. We checked it back in and everything, and we immediately took it to detail because everything worked and it drove great.
Yeah.
So
yeah, and that's the awesome thing with this El Camino is big block, factory air, but just mechanically it's awesome. 69's way down.
And you know what else? It's got bucket seats, D.
Yeah, that is true. And a nice sound system. It's just a really nice, nice driving.
Hey, it's got a paint flaw here, D. Right here. A little circle in the paint in the shade. You can see it just a little lighter there. I'm not sure what that is. It's not perfect, but it's a beautiful driver.
Yes.
Local car cruise, local car show quality car.
396 under the hood, as we mentioned, factory air that works. Power steering, power brakes.
They did a nice job when they jammed it out and stuff. But like I said, just wouldn't you classify this as an older paint job? Just a nice, cool driver.
Yeah, absolutely. It's got headers. Yeah, great
Bottom
look.
Of the hood's
nice
painted
driver.
nice. Looks sharp under there. It's got a nice big radiator. It's got the correct fan with the shroud keeping it cool. Optima battery. Oh, this would be awesome. Give you a break in a minute. We do have a chip right here in the front nose. Chip in the paint, but what I do like to see, it's bare metal right there. Yeah. Right? So when this was done, at least it was stripped to metal, it looks like. Front bumper's in excellent shape. That's been re-chromed. The grill looks really nice. The grill chrome looks like it's all original, so it does have just a few little mars. Some stuff like that, some oxidation on it, but very presentable for a driver like what we're selling here. Hood lines up nice, front to back. I love the SS hood, iconic for 1969 with the two little grates. Little tiny chip right there at the very back of the hood.
But the paint has a really nice finish on this. You know, it's just a
couple chips right here.
They did a good job with it. Just nice.
It does. It does.
Paint.
It's not perfect. I mean, it's not a laser straight perfect car, but a nice clean car.
Yeah.
Like the SS wheels on it, BFG raised white letter tires, 245/60s up front. Really good look there. It's got the wheel well trim. Bottom of the front fender super solid. Also, I think this one's got a 12 bolt, if I remember right. I took pictures of it.
Yep, it does.
Make sure you go on the undercarriage, check on the website, check out the undercarriage photos at coyoteclassics.com. Check that all out yourself as well. We took about 25 photos. Bottom of the door fits great. It's got one tiny little chip there. Other than that, rocker panel, bottom of the door, very, very solid.
Vinyl top's excellent as well.
Yeah, it's a good car.
It is. I love a vinyl top on an El Camino.
It's got the tonneau cover, huh?
Yep, and the bed is...
While you're getting that ready, D, I'll just go ahead and go down the side here. Behind the rear quarter, dual exhaust is great. Behind the rear quarter is excellent. Over the wheel well's very nice. Bottom of the door fits beautiful here. What do you got for me?
I'll just kind of give you a nice little glimpse of the box, all color bed lined.
Yeah. I like it. You know, they didn't go with the bed liner, but they did the red, so it just really matches up nice. This one's even got a little nickname, Alt.
The Reaper. I like that.
Reaper.
I like it a lot.
Back bumper's been re-chromed. Paint in here is driver quality. It's got some little dirt specks in the black. I mean, like I said, not a trailer queen, but a cool, cool car. But here's what I like to see. As we open up the doors, you know, the hood jams were done right, and so are the door jams. They're nice and clean, and look at that. Corner of the door is rust-free, very nice. Bottom of the door is all painted. Door jam paint's just as nice as the outside of the car. Even here on the inside here, the doors were taken off, fenders were off. Dash pad is excellent. It's got the Super Sport steering wheel. Beautiful dash on it. It's got the bucket seats, which are really nice. Carpet's good. Dome light works, headliner's nice, and so are the visors. You want to show them that stereo system. It's also got a brand new, very nice cover.
Oh, sorry. Got you.
I can do it here. So we got a Rockford Fosgate, beautiful amplifier. We got some little speakers here. We got some nice Rockford Fosgate subs. It's just sweet. There's a CD changer down there. Guy put a lot of money in the stereo system,
Yes,
huh?
he did.
Hey, look how that door closes.
Mm-hmm.
So really good car.
Yeah, very solid.
You know, there's cheaper ones, small blocks, 307s, 350s in it that are tacky. You know, this is just a good, cool car. And there's more expensive ones.
Yeah.
Right? This is a nice, right in the middle where you can jump in and drive it.
With great options. Big block air, good sound system, good look, and solid.
There's some paint chip and a little chip here and just a little bit of problem in that clear, like right there on the gas door. Other than that, the gas door's clean in there. Over the wheel well's great. Down here in the lower quarters, awesome. Door sticks out just a skosh right there. Not bad at all, but not quite as good as the passenger side. Yeah, just a tiny little scratch right here. Door handles are nice. There was that chip I was talking to you about a little earlier when I started the video. Bottom of the fender, rocker door, all that's great. Doors open, close nice. Here's a little scratch right there. Vinyl top, like Dalton said, is awesome. Front and back window area is great. Even in the jams here, looks really nice too. It's a car you can be proud of. I know the previous owner was. He loved it.
Absolutely.
Door jamb paint's good, seats are good. It's got the correct 69 pattern. I know that because we just did that on, just did some buckets on a Super Sport. Hey, how about tilt wheel?
Yeah.
It's another great option. Cruise control, stem anyway. I like what they did here with these aftermarket gauges. They fit the car well, you know what I mean? Temperature gauge works. We're at 180. Oil pressure is just climbing up there right now at 45 on an idle, which is great. It's got the 396 door panels. Horn works. Wipers work. Heater works. AC does blow cold. We already checked that. We went through and charged that all up. 93,000 miles believed to be actual. Nice and clean. Everything's clean. Dome light worked. Right here. All the heater worked today, man.
That's nice for today. The glove box. Even the paint and stuff on the dash, just crisp.
How do you work the radio?
I think these ones you...
With that nice sound system, you think the radio took a crap?
I don't know.
I hate to think
Possible.
that.
Used to work.
Well, we will definitely check that out, so see what we're doing wrong here.
Oh, there we go. We just have to turn the dial. So, no more checking out necessary.
No. It's got good paint. It's pretty awesome.
It is. It's cool. And like I said, all these old cars, you know, drive different. And some have a great look, but drives like crap. This one, wait till you drive. It's just a nice, smooth riding,
Park indicator
good
works
driving
too.
car.
You must already drove it already.
Yes, yeah, I drove it when I came in. It's got some good torque too with that big block, but
I'll tell you what had some good torque is that damn GTO.
that was kind of crazy, wasn't it?
That was fast. I don't think I've been so fast in a car for a long time, and I felt like I was only doing about 30. It would go so nice.
Yeah, that 68 GTO, yeah, we had that.
This might be a column shift, but all the indicator works good, and it's just clean in here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'd rather have a...
Holy shit!
Yeah.
There's definitely a posi.
That's
12 bolt posi, just black marks just lit up.
Sweet.
Here's your brakes. You're right. It's comfortable. It's
It
quiet. The heat works. It feels nice and warm in here.
Just a nice, easy car to drive.
No wonder why previous owner liked it so much, huh?
Yeah.
Gas gauge works.
It's got good pull.
Steering wheel's perfectly straight.
Nice shift. Yeah, this is probably 75 mile an hour.
Well, speedometer said 95, so it's probably maybe 85.
Yeah.
It's about 10 off probably.
Yeah.
But it doesn't bounce at all. Like right now it says 75, but like you
Probably
said,
65.
it
Yeah.
probably is. It feels like about 65, 70, don't
Yeah.
it?
Sounds good too.
This is just as nice a car as a GTO
Yeah,
that
we
we
were
just
just
drove.
talking about, yeah.
Ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
That's what's nice. I mean, we were just talking about this before the video for our fans and our customers. I mean, yes, do we spend a lot of money on these cars ahead of time and make them the best that we think we can? Yes. Does it mean they're going to be perfect? You're never going to run into a problem or something that you're not going to like as much, yeah, it's a freaking 50-year-old car.
Yeah,
but we feel good, and we do our best to make sure that we would like to drive it.
Yes.
That we feel safe in it.
Yep.
Right?
Absolutely.
So that's about all we can tell everybody. And it's our opinion.
Yeah.
Fly in, drive it, and get opinion of yourself. But all we can do is give you our opinion.
Yep. Do just
right?
what we're doing now, and
turn
take
signal
our best
indicators work. Like I said, gas gauge works. I'm going to go through the gears because you can still do that with a column shift car.
Nice shift there.
Yep. I just wanted to show them how it shifted.
That exhaust sounds good too. I like that. Get that tone. Runs good. Good car.
Yeah, just very nice car. Going down the road, I mean, you're not rapping out at 4,000 RPM at 70 mile an hour.
Yeah.
You know, probably 2,500 or so. You can just hear it. It sounds good. I'm impressed with it. Another good car.
Yeah, it is. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. If it's something you're interested in, give us a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.